All right, so we've got a Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator that quit making ice. It won't make anything come out of the door anymore. Nothing comes out. So there's videos you can watch that'll show you how to access using the codes by pressing the buttons on the door, and it'll give you a code to tell you what's wrong. We figured out that it's our ice maker. This is our model number. Can I zoom in on it? I don't know if I can zoom in on it. There we go. All right, so in here is the ice maker that's gone bad. There is no reset, but we watched this YouTube video, and I highly want to recommend people watch this, by the Parts Doctor, how to replace sealing ice maker part W11658802 on your Whirlpool French door. And if you go through his links, you can find where to get this part. We actually looked on his link and it was out of stock, but we found it on a different website. I want to say this ran us, what was it, 70 bucks? Something like that.
It was 67 plus shipping. It was about $75.
About $75 total for this part. Now, I would love to say that I'm going to make a video that's going to be better than his, but I cannot. I am not that skilled. I highly recommend you checking out his video. He is highly skilled. He knows exactly what he's doing, and this is fantastic. So we're going to do these steps that he recommends. I'm going to watch the video over and over and over as I'm doing it to make sure I'm doing it the right way. So let's go from there. First thing I have to do is empty the fridge. All right, it's on ice.